Hello world and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels and thank you so much for joining me today on March the 9th of 2020. I can't believe it's March. Like, wowzers girls, like where has the time gone? So anyways, if you're just joining me for the first time, thank you so much. I'm actually a pro makeup artist and influencer in the beauty industry in Canada. And if you haven't watched any of my episodes, please look at the channel episodes, especially the ones on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, because I was super excited doing the unveiling of all the Jeffree Star Cosmetics that came in from LA and his new limited collection, the Bloodlust collection. So if you're just joining me for the first time, thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment so I can always improve my content. And also make sure that you smash that subscribe button for future content that I upload, usually on a regular basis, usually on a daily basis. So that being said, make sure you hit the bell for future notifications and you'll know exactly when I upload a new video. So today, I just wanted to make sure that everybody realizes that when I uploaded my video from this morning on Queen Yacht, and which was the Brain Freeze palette review from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And when I watched it back on my flat screen TV, I noticed that the purple lip stain, similar to this Virginity color that I actually have on from the Mini Lip Gloss collection called Queen Bitch, it started bleeding. And I couldn't understand why it was starting to bleed. It didn't look like that on the phone, and it didn't look like that when I was actually filming it, and the lights were super bright. So I do apologize about that. However, what I realized was the problem was that when you apply that liquid lip stain, it is very, very pigmented, and you actually have to apply it onto a dry lip that's been exfoliated. I made a mistake. And the mistake that I made was I used my Lancome lip moisturizer because my lips were dry after exfoliating them with the Jeffree Star lip scrub. So that was my mistake, and I do apologize to all my viewers because you know what, my lips looked a freaking mess, and you know, I am so sorry about that. Anyways, that is my apology for Monday, March the 9th on my last Queen Biatch episode. And if you want to see how bad my lips look, just watch the video and you'll understand. So this is Virginity. I just applied it onto my lips. And if you guys are wondering too, I do have a mole on the side of my lips here, and I do actually have a mole up on this side here. So when I'm actually applying makeup and you're thinking, wow, it looks like it's collecting, it's actually collecting onto the mole here. So don't be alarmed if you see it and you're like, wow, that seems like it's collecting, you know, in this corner area of his eye area. You know, it's actually because there's a mole there. So we have lots of stuff to talk about today. Just quickly getting started. Robin B, if you're watching, say hello. Say hello to Kenzie Craig Michaels with love from Kenzie Craig Michaels. Robin B is actually the winner of the free giveaway, which was the Jeffree Star Blue Raspberry Lip Scrub. So she provided me all of her information, and I'm going to be sending it to her. She lives in the United States, and I'm super excited. She's super excited, but what she doesn't know is that she's getting a lot of product. Robin, if you're watching, you're getting 10 full-size products. Not all of Jeffree Star, but they are cosmetic related. So I hope you enjoyed them, and make sure that you post them so that everybody else can see and share, and you know, get all your friends and family to subscribe to my channel as well. So I want to do a look today and let everybody know about the secret contest. So the secret contest is going to be from Monday to Wednesday, and I'll be posting my limited edition Jeffree Star Fabulous channel episode. And what that's going to be, well, I really can't tell you what it would be because it's a super duper surprise. So what you have to do is to win this free giveaway, because I never told anybody what the free giveaway was, I just said I had a free giveaway. So what you are going to receive, so anybody who are my current subscribers or any new subscribers that leave a comment in my comment feed, this is what you need to do. Go to my comment feed, leave a comment, and you need to leave a comment in regards to this. You need to leave the comment in regards to why do you love Jeffree Star Cosmetics so much, and what should be the title of my video that is launching on Thursday for Jeffree Star Limited Edition. What is the title that I should use for my picture and my title? So what title, I'm repeating so you guys can know, what title should I use for Jeffree Star's Limited Edition Explosion Eleganza, as RuPaul would say? And I want to know, leave it in my comment feed, and whoever has the best Jeffree Star title is going to receive, drum roll, a lovely deluxe sampling of La Mer Cosmetics. That's right, La Mer Skincare. So this has in it like 10 different deluxe samples, from soft cream to treatment lotion to skin perfecting treatment as well. Soft moisturizing lotion. Your toner's in there as well. And it's literally filled, like there's tons of stuff in here, guys. Like this one here, oh, this is a firming facial mask. There's your treatment lotion. And you know, I've used La Mer in the past, so I want to give this away to someone. These products have never been used. And so you're going to receive that. And then whoever comes up with the best title, you'll also receive a $50 gift card to Sephora. That's right, free giveaway to Sephora. So make sure that you leave in my comment feed, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already by hitting the subscribe button, and leave a title in my comment section on what you think the video name should be for Thursday. If I don't have enough comments, the video won't be made until next week. So get on that computer, type, leave multiple comments if you want on what titles you think would be great. It doesn't have to just be one. So I'm taking off my glasses just so you guys can see a little look that I prepared for you. So using the Virginity with no lip balm on, I've actually just applied eye cream. I use the Jeffree Star concealer under here as well, because I'm looking a little haggard today. And you know, I think it's just because it's Monday and it's the beginning of the week. So what we decided to do, or I decided to do, was put the Virginity lip stain on, and it is a stain. It ain't coming off. We put the Better Than Sex mascara on our lashes, and then we also use the Sarcophagus Skin Frost on our lids. We contoured on this side, and we contoured on this side as well. So what we're going to do is, this is a simple day look, okay? And we're going to be applying the Lip Ammunition in Champagne Tears as well on top of this, just for a frosted effect. So, using our highlighting brush, which is in pink, my favorite color. And there's so many free giveaways, guys, coming up that you have no idea how exciting they are. So we're actually going to apply like so, and look at that shimmer! Look at it. It is divine. It is fantastic. So we're applying the Sarcophagus here. And when I say day look, we're just using a highlighter, bronzer, no blush. We're blending down like so. A little down the bridge in the nose area. And a lot of people say, well, you know what, should you use your fingers to blend? Yes, you can use your fingers to blend. The thing about using your fingers to blend, you need to make sure you know where your fingers have been. Seriously. You know, touching doorknobs, make sure that all your hands are sanitized before you actually begin doing makeup and blending with your fingertips. So once that's applied, we have a nice, beautiful highlight. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're actually going to use the Sarcophagus, the Jeffree Star palette highlighter, and we're actually going to use it on the lid itself. So if you guys are in a hurry and you're thinking, oh my God, you know, I just have time to put on, you know, quick foundation, you know, quick powder, a little bit of bronzer, you know, just to accentuate and contour on the cheekbone area, and I just want to actually put on, you know, one shadow, use your highlighting color. It's so amazing, and it's pigmented, and will actually open up your eyes. And I'm just bringing it right up. So you see one eye is done here on this side, and one side is going to be done on this side as well. So, and my other question for you guys too is, do you guys like my videos with music or without music? So I've been testing out some with music and some without music. I prefer music in the background. Some other people don't prefer music in the background. But, oh my God, I totally forgot. Not only whoever leaves the best title for the Jeffree Star Eleganza episode, besides the like 10 products in La Mer skincare, little deluxe samples that you're going to receive, you're also going to receive the $50 gift card from Sephora, and you're also going to receive the $42 Better Than Sex mascara. That's right, that I use on my lashes all the time. So exciting. So Better Than Sex mascara, your Lancome, not your Lancome, your La Mer skincare package, and a $50 gift card from Sephora, which you can use in Canada and the US as well. So that will be sending out to the best person who leaves the best title for my Jeffree Star Eleganza. And the Jeffree Star Eleganza will be my final episode on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and summing everything up, what products I like, what products I don't like, and simply put, you know, is it worth the money? Is it worth the money to spend on Jeffree Star Cosmetics? So we talked a lot about, you know, how great cosmetics are, that they're cruelty-free, not tested on animals, but are they worth the money? Do you actually get the look that you're looking for? And that's what I wanted to find out. So that's why I've been doing so many videos on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, because he does have a lot of products that I actually purchased. So this one here is the Champagne Tears, and it's a crystallized one. So we're gonna apply over top of the Virginity. Now, ladies, men, and girls, you can wear this just with a nude lip liner, like I showed you on the previous episode and episode before this as well. So it just gives a crystallized effect. Now, you gotta remember, I'm not wearing a wig. Most women would have their hair, you know, coming down, or a Jennifer Aniston cut, or depending on what cut they have, they might have a bob or an inverted bob. So it depends on your hairstyle. So you have to picture this look with your hair, not my boy face. You know, I can put a wig on, I have multiple wigs, and maybe I'll be wearing a special wig that day as well. So thank you so much for watching my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. If you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button. Leave me the comment as to what title should be used for my Eleganza Jeffree Star finale, which will be happening Thursday. If not Thursday, if I don't receive enough comments, it's going to be happening next week. So get on it, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, leave me a comment. Make sure you tell me exactly why you think this is the best title for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. That being said, make sure you subscribe, tell all your friends, share this video with everyone that you know, and tell everybody about myself, Kenzie Craig Michaels. Lots more to come, a lot of more free giveaways. And Robin, I'll be sending you those 10 products. Woohoo, Robin! From USA, coming from Canada to the United States. I will be sending those to you tomorrow. So I will give you an update and the tracking number, so you can get the tracking number from me as well. And you will be very, very excited. So if you can share on my channel once you receive them, that would be fantastic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, world, all you beautiful men, women, teenagers. Thank you so much for your constant support. I truly, truly love it. Anyways, today is Monday, March the 9th, and that's all I have to say. So thank you so much, and my name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. Cheers, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your Monday.